Kilala niyo po ba kung sino si Marcial Bonifacio?
To be candid, Your Honor,
Oh.
I'm not
Sino po?
familiar.
Si Benigno
I'm sorry,
Aquino
Your Honor.
Jr. Si Ninoy. Siya mismo may alias. Maraming salamat po.
Sir, tama po. Si Ninoy Aquino po ang kanyang alias ay Marcial Bonifacio para makauwi po siya sa Pilipinas nung nasa Boston siya. Oho, pero wala naman ho siyang confidential funds na wala ho siya sa mga AR na confidential funds. Lilinawin ko lang ho. Okay.
So ang gusto ko lamang pong ipaalam sa ating prosecution na napakahalaga po ng alias sa panahon ng... Kayo po, sagutin po nyo. Sa panahon ng...
Gera, sir. Your Honor.
Ang confidential po. Ang pagkilos confidential ay napakahalaga at hindi po ginagamit ang pangalan at hindi po pumipirma. At alam niyo po ba, noong September 12, 1896, anong nangyari? Nagkaroon tayo ng 13 martires. Yung mga nagtraidor ay itinuro ang mga totoong pangalan, totoong lugar, kung nasaan yung mga sumusuporta sa Katipunan.
If I may, Your
One
Honor.
last na lang po.
Kindly wind
One
up,
last,
Senator
one
Judge
last na lang
Padilla.
po.
If I may, Your Honor, just address your question earlier. With all due respect, Your Honor, the prosecution respectfully submits that whether the use of alias is allowed or not and whether it's necessary or not, to us, that is a non-issue because that was never raised
Hindi po
by
pwedeng maging non-issue sapagkat ito po ang ipinalalabas ng prosecution.
If I may, Your
Na
Honor,
may mga pangalan, na mga katawa-tawang pangalan. Mas nakakatawa po itong mga pangalan ng mga nangyari nung araw.
with all due
At isa
respect,
pa
Your
po,
Honor,
isa na lang
if
po. Kasi isa na lang po.
Kindly wind up, Senator
ito na lang
Judge
po.
Padilla.
Kilala niyo po ba kung sino si Marcial Bonifacio?
to be candid, Your Honor,
Oh.
I'm not
Sino po?
familiar.
Si Benigno
I'm sorry,
Aquino
Your Honor.
Jr. Si Ninoy. Siya mismo may alias. Maraming salamat po.
Your Honor, if I just may, Your Honor, just to set the record straight, because it was made to, with all due respect to the Senator Judge,
Mr.
it was,
Presiding Judge, allowed ba yun?
I was about to make a ruling. Senator
Maraming
Judge
salamat
Padilla.
po.
There was no question posed or poised. Attorney May. Let's proceed to the next Senator Judge who will interject. By the way, did you intentionally get rid of the platform?
yes, Your Honor, because we were not expecting that I'd be called again, Your Honor, to make way for the Honorable Chair of the
Okay.
panel of
Understood.
prosecutors, Your Honor.
Understood. Senator Judge Aquino,
Thank
you're
you.
recognized for interjection. You may proceed, sir. When you're ready, you have 2 minutes.
So bago po yung 2 minutes, Mr. Presiding Officer, tama po. Si Ninoy Aquino po ang kanyang alias ay Marcial Bonifacio para makauwi po siya sa Pilipinas nung nasa Boston siya. Oho, pero wala naman ho siyang confidential funds na wala ho siya sa mga AR na confidential funds. Lilinawin ko lang ho. Okay. Pagdating ho sa prosecution, ang posisyon ng prosecution, yung mga pangalan ay totoong tao, di ba? Correct, no? You have not really mentioned aliases in any of your... Wala. Could you respond quickly? We have talked about aliases. Is the prosecution talking about aliases?
That was never our point, Your Honor. In fact, the point of the prosecution is that that was never raised by the defense, either in their answer or in their pretrial brief, Your Honor. So to us, that should be a non-issue because even them, they never claimed that in any of their pleadings before this
thank you.
honorable court.
Okay, klaklaruin ko lang ha. Ang siyang tao lang pong nagsabi na alias po sila, si Miss Gina Acosta in her testimony. Kanina po, sabi niyo rin na Mr. Ortonio na hindi siya alias or hindi niyo alam. But si Miss Gina Acosta in her testimony did admit that in her perspective, these are aliases. No? Just for the record po.